Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Lessons with L. Today's video, we're going to be going over converting fractions into decimals. Here's some examples. Say we have 3/4, okay, as our fraction. Now, the simplest way to do this is we're going to turn this fraction bar into a division problem, just like that. Okay, next we're going to put this 3 right inside there. So now we had 3/4. We change that to 4 going into 3. Okay, so now let's divide. Four going into 3. 4 goes into 3, not evenly. So when converting fractions into decimals, we want to lay out our problem. Then we want to add our decimal point. This indicates, which we know, that there are a bunch of zeros that follow this decimal. So we add it up here, keep our place value. Now we're in a better position to divide. So 4, put our 0 there. 4 goes into 30, 77 times. 30 minus 28 is 2. We're going to bring down our 0. 4 goes into 25 times. Evenly. And we have our answer. So we can conclude that 3/4 is equal to 0.75 or 0.75. Okay, let's do another example. So when converting fractions into decimals, we're basically going to take the numerator, bring that down so we can divide the denominator into it. Okay, let's do 7 divided by, I don't know, let's say 15. Okay, so we want to convert 7 over 15 into a decimal. So we'll make our little fraction bar thing. We'll bring a 7 down, add some zeros, maintain our place value. Now we can begin to divide. Let's clean this up a little bit. Okay. Now, 15 goes into 70. What is that? 4 times 60. Bring down this 0. 15 goes into 100. What is that? 6 times. That'll be 90. Now we can always add more zeros because they have no value to help us extend the decimal. Bring another 0 down. 100 again. So I can see right now that we're going to have a repeating number of 6 followed behind this 4. It's going to keep being 6. So we can conclude that 7 over 15 is equal to 0.46. Now we're going to round to the nearest hundredth. So rounding to the nearest hundredth, we're going to take this number here, use this as our indicator whether to round this number up or down, and 6 is greater than 5, so we're going to round this 6 up. Okay, so this is roughly 0.47. Okay, some teachers, they may teach you the notation bar where you put a sign right above the 6 that lets you know that the 6 is going to be continuing non-stop. Okay, so you can round this to 0.47, or you may see 0.4667. It depends, but this is what the answer is, roughly 0.47. Okay, so we're always not going to get a straight simple answer like our first problem, 3/4, which was 0.75. Sometimes we're going to have to round our answer in order to get its equivalent to the fraction. Now that's what's so great about fractions. There's no rounding a fraction. We can round a decimal, but we can't round a fraction. So we can either say 7/15, which is much better than saying, about approximately 0.47. Okay. So just remember, when converting fractions into decimals, we're going to take whatever the numerator is, we're going to bring this guy down here. Make sure we add our decimal point to keep our place. Add our zeros, as many as we need. And then we can go ahead and divide like regular. Okay. That's all for today, folks. Thank you so much for joining me for another video, and I hope to see you guys soon. Until next time, have a good one.